Hey, what's up YouTube? I had the luck of starting my Nissan Titan, it being 108 degrees outside, and lo and behold the air conditioning doesn't work. Literally, nothing coming out of the air conditioning. It was spotted. As you can see, it only got hotter on my way home, 111 degrees outside. This was not fun. So I'm going to show you a small diagnostic tip. This is the blower motor resistor. You want to make sure if you have a 4-prong or a 5-prong, that's where it's at. It's only 2 bolts underneath your glove compartment on the passenger side. Take it out, replace it, and you're going to check to see if it works. I did, and lucky for me, it did not work. You can see here, I tried to control the air, nothing was coming out. So I had to get a second part. I had to actually get the blower motor, which I had to just take care of. There was no way in hell I was going to go with no air conditioning in 111 degree weather. So as you can see here, I'm showing you this is where the motor's at. You're going to want to take off this secondary bolt that's holding some wires that I'm pointing to here. Otherwise, you can't drop the blower motor. It's pretty straightforward. There's about 3 bolts that are holding or mounting the blower motor onto the vehicle. You do not have to take off your glove compartment if you don't want to. They're all accessible. And then the 4th bolt is this last bolt that I was talking about. That is a mount for some wires going through, and it just obstructs the blower motor from actually dropping. Once you take it off, as you can see, it just drops out. It's connected to a wire that controls it. It's pretty easy. When I show it to you here, there's a little piece of foam on top of it. Just take it right off and you'll see where it clips in. You can unclip it, clip it back into the new one, remount it. It takes about 5 minutes, maybe 10, with the right tools. Take that little piece of foam off, and right underneath is where the clip's at. You can use a flathead screwdriver, or a flathead screwdriver to take it off. I just wanted to show it to you because at first I didn't know what to do. I was trying to remove that orange piece, but apparently it was way easier than I thought. Just remove that little piece of foam if it's there. If it's not, you'll see what I'm talking about.